Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Java on Ubuntu 26.04. First, you can check whether Java is installed. If Java is not installed, the system will return a command not found message. Now, update the package index. Next, install the default Java development kit. On Ubuntu 26.04, the default JDK package installs OpenJDK 25. You can also install it directly with the following command. Continue to verify the installation. Next, check the Java compiler. For applications requiring Java 21, install it with the following command. Oracle JDK is not included in the default Ubuntu repositories. Download the Debian package from Oracle. Then, install the downloaded package. Continue to verify the installation. When multiple Java versions are installed, display the available versions with the following command. Enter the number corresponding to the Java version you want to use. Next, configure the default Java compiler separately. Then, confirm the selected version. Some applications require the Java home environment variable. Now, find the active Java installation path. For OpenJDK 25, the path is normally. Next, open the system environment file. Continue to add the following line. Then, apply the configuration and verify it. You can remove OpenJDK 25 with the following command. And run the following command to list installed Java packages. Finally, Java is now installed on Ubuntu 26.04.